Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at the top 6 major changes that came with the update of watchOS 7 that are worth checking out. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video and check those changes. So the very first change that I came across, and which but of course is very impressive, are the new watch faces. With the update of watchOS 7, we got number 1, Memoji watch face, a watch face that moves when you tap on the screen or when you wake up your Apple Watch. This watch face features Memoji characters, which can either be your Memoji or stock Memoji characters designed by Apple. Number 2, Typographic watch face, a watch face that features numbers and a couple of different styles to choose from. Next is GMT watch face. This watch face is for those who love the classic watch styles that feature dual time, that's both local and your favorite country's time. So in this watch face too, you can choose the country of whose time you want to see along with the time in your country. Next is count up. Okay, so this watch face is really cool as it gets converted into a timer whenever you need in just one click, and when you are done, you can simply click and come back to the normal watch face. Plus, in addition to above all watch faces, we even got Artistic, Chronograph Pro and Stripes watch face as a part of this update. So now one of my favorite features of the watchOS 7 is the ability to send and receive a watch face via iMessage. All you have to do is just select the desired watch face and click on the little share icon over here. Select the contact and send it. It's just that easy. Until watchOS 6, we were just able to set a custom calorie burn count right from our Apple Watch. But now with this update, we can set a custom exercise goal by either decreasing or increasing the limit. But when it comes to stand goal, we can only decrease the limit, which I believe is really helpful. Scroll time is a feature that when turned on, basically sets your Apple Watch on D&D mode to help you focus, and only the time along with some necessary information such as the date and your name are up on the screen. To turn scroll time off, you need to scroll the digital crown and you're back. In the previous update, we got the ability to reposition the toggles present in the control center by clicking on the edit button. But now, with watchOS 7, it's really easy to remove the unnecessary or say unused toggles from the control center by simply clicking on the red negative icon present on the top left of every toggle. Similarly, you can even add new toggles to the control center. To stay healthy, it's really necessary to wash your hands for 20 straight seconds. And just in case if you think that you washed for quite long or maybe less than 20 seconds, then this feature is really helpful. Apple Watch now detects your hand washing movement and starts a 20-second timer. But for that, you need to make sure that you have turned the toggle for washing timers on in the settings. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.